Hi, I'm James Schillinglaw, and I'm here today with Wolfgang Gettner, who's the head of international marketing for the state of Saxony, and that's Saxony in Germany. There's a lot going on there, and if you've never been to Germany before, it's a great destination for your clients. A lot of stuff going. I've been lucky enough to go to Dresden, which is one of the main cities, and we're going to talk about that. Leipzig is another a city there that we're going to talk about that, and you're going to find out about Saxony and a whole lot more on Insider Travel Report. Now, Wolfgang, first of all, great to see you. And you may have seen Wolfgang before. He goes to ASTAs. He goes to all over the place. So, but I think we've met before, but we haven't really had the pleasure recently because of something called COVID. And we wanted to find out a little bit more about Saxony today. Tell us a little bit about the region, how you get there, where it is.
Mm-hmm. Well, Saxony is in the southeast corner of Germany, basically, bordering both Poland and the Czech Republic. And basically, Dresden is 2 hours from Berlin, south of Berlin, and 1.5 hours north of Prague. Okay. And we are the #1 cultural destination of Germany.
That's great. I understand you have a video we can show. We can show some of our folks out there what Saxony looks like today. So let's take a little second to watch that video.
Sure.
And as an American, how do I get there?
Well, of course, you can use the usual hubs. If you use the Lufthansa hubs via Munich or Frankfurt, it's just a 45-minute flights. I know that American Airlines also fly into Berlin. You can fly into Prague, which is very close. So various possibilities. Or